Hello guys, we use my phone Xiaomi Redmi Note 11 Pro. This version 6GB memory and 128GB internal memory in the blue color. Okay, look completion. In completion we have protected back cover this and adapter for charging with faster charge and Type-C cable. Good completion. Okay. Now talk about device. Device made of glass and plastic. On the back side quad camera, LED. On this side power key with fingerprint scanner and warm keys. On this side without controls. Upside headphones jack, speaker, microphone. Downside Type-C port, slot for 2 nano SIM card or 1 nano SIM card and micro SD card for memory, and speaker. Turn on device. We have full HD plus resolution display, AMOLED display. Okay, 120 Hz. This display. Open Geekbench 5 and talk about system information. We have MediaTek Helio J86 or MediaTek MT6781. 6 plus 2 cores, 2 GHz CPU speed and 2.1 GHz CPU speed. Mali G57 MC2 GPU. Okay, look results. Single core score and multi-core score and GPU test results. Look onto the benchmark. Close this and look. Demanding game GTA San Andreas. Look how this game works on the device. Game works on the max graphic level and works very good. Works perfect. Okay, close this. And now I show you photos on the main camera. Main camera 108 megapixels plus 8 plus 2 plus 2 megapixels. Let's see photos. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.